Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do word sort number 74 for our short and long U. And today is day 3. So yesterday we learned how to sort them and then write our words down. Today we're going to write them together just to make sure you've got it correctly. So the first thing I did is I laid out my header and I laid out my oddball. And I also laid out my words. So please pause your video here and lay out your words and your headers. Now that you've laid them all out, we can sort them together. So we're going to start with the word skunk. You see it says in the middle. That's a short U sound and there's no other vowel, so that follows my short U rule. Then I have the word June. Ooh, my favorite month of the year. You know why. I have a vowel here, the U, and then I have a consonant and a silent E. So that's my vowel, consonant, silent E rule. And that goes right here. Then I have the word suit. Suit has two vowels, the U and the I, in the middle. And it goes in my UI column. And I have the word crust. Crust. Crust follows my short U pattern because it says and there's no other vowel, and there's a consonant vowel consonant pattern, so it goes right here. I have the word from. Wait a second, there's no U sound. You are my oddball. How'd you sneak into this word sort? And I have the word smooth. Smooth has two O's, and smooth definitely has two vowels in the middle, and they go right here. And here's my next word, spoon. Spoon has two O's in the middle, so it goes in my double O column. My next word is tooth. Tooth. I have two O's in the middle, so that goes in my double O column. Then I have bump. Bump. Bump has the sound, and it goes right here. Next is my word cube. I see my U is a vowel, my E is a vowel, and therefore they go vowel, consonant, silent E goes right here. And I have prune. I have a U and I have a silent E, so my prune goes right in my silent E column. I have the word juice. Juice has a UI and it goes in my UI column. I can see that silent E, but the UI trumps that. Then I have the word truth. Truth. That makes a long sound, but there's only one vowel, so it's a short vowel pattern, but a long word's vowel sound, so it goes in my oddball. You are not following the rules, my friend. I have the word trust. It says, trust. Yep, and there's only one U, so it goes in my short vowel pattern. My next word is food. I love some good food. It has two O's in the middle, which gives me a vowel pattern, and it goes in my double O column. Mood, also two O's, goes in my double O column. Moon, ooh, I'm on a roll, double O column. Fruit has a UI, so it goes in my UI column. Build goes into my UI column. I love how I see some words that hide out in other words, like building has built in it. All right, now that we have our words sorted, we're going to take our handy dandy notebook and we are going to write down our columns and our words. Since I have to show you, and it's hard to see with a pencil, I'm going to write in pen. Please write with a pencil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my date. And today's date is 2-22-22. Look, it's a funny date. And I'm going to write my 5 categories. So I have one category. Since there's 5, I'm going to use this edge here. And then I'm going to go this part in the middle, right about here. And then in the middle of that. And in the middle of this section. And then I'm going to draw my line underneath the top. All right, then I can write down my categories. So my first one is the CVC, and that's the short U. The second category is CV, consonant, vowel, consonant with the silent E. And for my U, that looks like U, consonant, and a silent E at the end. And that makes this consonant long. This vowel long. My next category is consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. When two vowels go walking, you know what happens. And in this case, that's two O's, and they make a U sound. The next category is consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Again, two vowels are walking, so it's a long sound. And this is for my U-I words, and it gives me a U sound. And my last category is my oddballs. Those words that don't want to follow the rules. So, then my first word in my CVC is skunk. Remember to skip one line in between each word because tomorrow we are going to code our words. So we need that space underneath it. Plus, it helps you to write neater. So I'm going to write skunk. Then I'm going to skip a line. And I'm actually going to draw a line in between those. All right. My next word is crust. I'm going to draw my line in between those lines. All right. My next word is bump. Bump. Draw my line. The next word is trust. Then my CVC, there are no more, so I'm going to draw my last line underneath it. And I know when I look at my words that the only one that's longer than that is the double O one. And you can add those on as you go. I'm going to just write the first word for each category. I need you to independently write the rest of them. So my first word here is June. Remember to capitalize it. June. Over here is smooth. Smooth talker. I've got a couple of those in my classroom. Suit. I love a nice dress suit. And from. Yep. That little word just snuck in there. So remember, you need to write the rest of your words down. I'm going to move my notebook down a little so you can see the rest of the words. Oops, my notebook messed them up a bit. Remember to pause your video so you can write all your words in the correct column. Use your notebook. When you're done, go ahead and show it to me. See you later.